Dogecoin digital money with deference. As Doge is the ideal illustration of what can be accomplished in the event that a digital money has solid local area support. Brought into the world as a web image, Dogecoin exhibits how a straightforward joke might increment in worth and come to a $88 billion market capitalization. We've gathered realities about the Dogecoin example of overcoming adversity and gave Doge cost expectation. This video might give some data on the subject of financial planning, yet it doesn't comprise venture counsel. It is fundamental that you require the investment to completely assess your choices as a whole and do your own exploration prior to settling on any venture choices. Like that, you can boost the possibilities procuring a benefit from your speculations and limit the probability of enduring misfortunes. Our constant Doge to USD cost update shows the ongoing Dogecoin cost is 8 cents USD. According to our Dogecoin cost forecast, Doge cost is supposed to have a 7.76% reduction and drop as low as by April 10, 2023. Our investigation of the specialized pointers proposes that the ongoing business sector feeling is negative 55%, with a trepidation and eagerness record score of 61. Over the most recent 30 days, Dogecoin has had 15 30th green days and 9.62% cost instability. Dogecoin specialized outline: while examining future exchanging chances of advanced resources, it is crucial for focus on market feelings, as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Dogecoin is $8 cents, and Doge is buy and buy position no. 9 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Dogecoin is $10,137,231,778.54, with a market cap of $132,670,764,300 Doge. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Doge has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this way expanding by 1.28%. Dogecoin has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Doge has expanded by 5.87%, adding a Goliath normal measure of $0 its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming that it keeps on developing. Dogecoin value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Dogecoin costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Dogecoin will be 10 cents. The most extreme level that the Doge cost can reach is 12 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 10 cents. Possible return for capital invested: 49.4% by Doge value figure for February 2023 in view of the value changes of Dogecoin toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical Doge pace of 8 cents in February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 7 cents and at 8 cents individually. Likely return for capital invested: 1.1% by WALC 2023. Dogecoin value estimate: digital money specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the Doge cost in WALC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 8 cents, while the greatest could reach 9 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Dogecoin may be around 8 cents. It can drop to 8 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 9 cents. Expected return for money invested: 10.3% by May 2023. Dogecoin value conjecture: around mid-year 2023, the Doge cost will be exchanged at 9 cents overall. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Dogecoin worth to 9 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 8 cents in May 2023. Possible return for capital invested: 14.9% by Doge value figure for June 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Dogecoin costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, 9 cents. The most minimal and top Doge rates may be 9 cents and 10 cents. Likely return for capital invested: 26.4% by July 2023. Dogecoin value conjecture: crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Doge cost will be around 9 cents. In July 2023, the Dogecoin cost might drop to at least 9 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 10 cents in July 2023. Likely return for money invested: 26.4% by Doge value gauge for August 2023. Having broke down Dogecoin costs, digital currency specialists expect that the Doge rate could arrive at a limit of 10 cents in August 2023. it may, nonetheless, drop to 9 cents. For August 2023, the Gauge normal of Dogecoin is almost 9 cents. Likely return for money invested, 26.4% by September 2023. Dogecoin value estimate around mid-2023. The Dogecoin cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 9 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in September 2023, the Doge cost could change somewhere in the range of 9 cents and 11 cents. Possible return for money invested, 37.9% by Doge value figure for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Dogecoin worth won't dip under at least 9 cents. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is 11 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 10 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment, 37.9% by November 2023. Dogecoin value conjecture. Digital money specialists have painstakingly broke down the scope of Doge costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their gauge is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Dogecoin will be around 12 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 10 cents. In November 2023, the normal expense will be 10 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment, 49.4% by Doge value estimate for December 2023. In view of the value changes of Dogecoin toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Doge pace of 10 cents in December 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 10 cents and at 12 cents. Separately, possible return for money invested, 49.4% by Dogecoin value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Dogecoin in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Dogecoin will be around 15 cents. The greatest expected Doge cost might be around 18 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 16 cents in 2024. The typical expected exchanging cost is 24 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of Dogecoin and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base Doge cost could drop to 33 cents, while its greatest can reach 40 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 34 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Dogecoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Doge costs are normal in 2027, 59 cents and 49 cents. All things considered, it will be exchanged at 50 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the changes of Dogecoin. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical Doge cost will be around 74 cents. It could drop to at least 71 cents. However, it actually could reach 87 cents all through 2028. Dogecoin value expectation 2029. Consistently, digital currency specialists get ready gauges at the cost of Dogecoin. It is assessed that Doge will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.06 and $1.25 in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.10 during the year. Dogecoin value forecast 2030. Digital money examiners are prepared to declare their assessments of the Dogecoin's cost. The year 2030 not entirely set in stone by the greatest Doge cost of $1.81. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $1.50. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $1.55. Dogecoin value expectation 2031. Following quite a while of investigation of the Dogecoin cost,